Hello everyone and welcome to a quick PowerPoint tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to add notes in PowerPoint and how to print these notes in PowerPoint afterwards. This is actually quite simple. First of all, I open PowerPoint and here I have a presentation without any notes. We can see that when I press F5. If I had any notes, they would be here. So let's end this presentation and now add notes to PowerPoint. We can find the corresponding function directly under each slide. Here we can add notes. I have prepared a filler text that I will insert. These notes are individual for each page. If I go to the next one, we can see that there are none here yet, but I could add them. And this is how to add notes in PowerPoint. Now let's take a look at how to print these notes. To do this, I click on the File tab and go to Print. Here I change full page slides to note pages. As you can see, nothing changed here directly because this slide don't have any notes. But if we change the preview to slide 1, we can now see all my notes and how they are printed out. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.